Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start an Audi Q5. First, gather your essential tools, a set of reliable jumper cables, and a vehicle with a fully charged battery. Position the working vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. Turn off both engines and engage the parking brakes. Open the hoods and identify the positive and negative battery terminals on each car. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red clamp and firmly attach it to the positive terminal of your Audi Q5's dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Double-check that both connections are secure and not touching any other metal parts. For the negative connections, take one black clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. This terminal is typically marked with a minus sign. Then, connect the other black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part on your Audi Q5's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. Never connect it directly to the dead battery's negative terminal to prevent sparks. With all cables connected, start the working vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this period, try starting your Audi Q5. Once it starts, keep it running for at least 20 minutes. Finally, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First the negative from the Audi, then the negative from the working car, followed by the positive cables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.